मुझे तो एक भी
Okay,
नहीं
ma'am.
मिला।
Started. Okay. Let's start. Om Shri Sai Ram. How are you, children? I hope you all are fit and fine. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, we are fine.
So, are you ready for today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, we shall begin our class with Three Omkaram. So, please join your hands. Sit straight. Sairam children. So let's present the screen. And as we were discussing children chapter 5, that is numbers from 10 to 20, right? And day before yesterday in previous class, we discussed about word problem. I gave one worksheet also and we discussed few simple word problems. So today again we'll do that. So let me present my screen first. Just a minute. Okay. So can you see the screen, children?
Yes, ma'am, I can see.
Okay. So we shall start.
Yes, ma'am.
I think it is getting hang. Yeah. Okay. So first question we have that is given in our text for children. Rahul has 8 pencils. Sonu has 7 pencils. How many pencils do they have all together? So first what you have to see, you have to see the objects, how many objects are there. So it is already highlighted with blue color, right? So it is 8 pencils here and Sonu has 7 pencils. So we can see here 7 and this pencil is again highlighted with the blue color, right? So these are the objects we have to play some game with them, right? So what game do we have to subtract? Do we have to add? So that depends on the question. So we have to see the question further. How many pencils do they have all together? As you can see, all together is also highlighted. Can you see it? Can you
Yes,
read the
ma'am.
spelling of all together?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read.
Ma'am, full.
Yeah, all together spelling I'm saying.
All together. A
Yeah.
L T O G E T H E R. All together.
Yes. So do you remember we discussed earlier all together means if this word is given in the word problem, it means what we have to do? Do we have to subtract or add?
Ma'am, we have to add.
We have to add, right? Because this word represents addition, right? So all together means when we put the things together, then it is all together. So if we put 8 pencils and 7 pencils together, so how many it will be? So yes, we have to add them. So how we will write, how we will do this word problem, that is very important, children. So I have given example, right? Rahul name we have written like this, and how many pencils Rahul has? Has
8
8 pencils.
pencils.
Right in front. Yeah, we'll write in front of Rahul, right? Now Sonu. Sonu has how many? We'll write the name Sonu here and put a dash. And how many pencil he has? He has
7
7 pencils.
pencils.
Yes. Now we will put a plus sign here, right? That is important, very important, children. And we'll put a line and 8 plus 7. So which is the bigger number here?
8.
8. So what we'll do, we'll keep in mind 8, right? And we'll take out 7 fingers and start counting after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how what will come?
Ma'am, 15.
Yes. So they'll have 15 pencils altogether. So I hope you have understood this question
Yes, ma'am.
and how you have to do the manner, the pattern, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see the next one, children. Yeah. Farida plucked 4 apples. Farida is a girl. She plucked 4 apples. Plucked means tode usne. Because apple tree, where we get apple? Sorry, where we get apples?
Ma'am, from apple tree.
Yeah, from apple tree. So she, if we want to eat apples, definitely we have to go near the apple tree and we have to pluck them, or somebody has to pluck them. Then we get in the market, right? Somebody is plucking from the trees. So here,
Yes.
Farida is a girl and she plucked 4 apples from apple tree, and Sita plucked 6 apples. Okay. Now both put them together, how many apples are there now? So here again we are putting them together, and we know already, children, putting them together means
Ma'am, addition.
addition. Yes. So you can see the number of objects are highlighted with the colors, right? And together word is again highlighted. So here I think it has gone that side. Yeah, 5 minutes. Yes. I think it is shifted. Yeah, so we'll write Farida and dash 4 apples. Okay. And then Sita, she plucked how many apples? 6 apples. And we'll put plus marks here, right? Plus mark means we have to add it. Now 6 plus 4. Can you do, and can you tell me how you are going to do this sum?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have
Can
to
you?
add. Ma'am,
Yes,
6 is the bigger number, so we will keep 6 in mind. And after that, we have to do forward counting for 4 apples. That means 4.
yes,
Ma'am, after
yes.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ma'am, 10 apples.
Very good. Yes. So exactly you said the correct thing, right? And well done. I hope all the students have understood it. So again, I'll explain. 6 is bigger number, we'll keep in mind, and 4 will take out 4 fingers, and we have to do forward counting after 6. So that is 7, 8, 9, 10. So there will be 10 apples when we put them together, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's see. We had 2 word problems, children, right? And 1 minute. Okay, now we have subtraction. As we have already done subtraction in this lesson only, before this lesson. So again, we have some subtraction, the sideways subtraction and downways subtraction. Let's see. So 7 minus 4. So just take out 7 fingers and 4 fingers. Cut
Ma'am,
4 fingers.
3. 3.
3 will remain, yes. So we'll get 3 here, right?
Yes.
Now 9 minus 8.
Ma'am, 1.
9 minus 8, 1? Yes,
Yes,
very
ma'am.
good. And today I'm not getting. Okay. Now 2 minus 2.
Ma'am, 0.
2 minus 2, 0. As we subtract the same number, so it will be 0 always, right? Now
Yes,
6
ma'am.
minus 2.
Ma'am, 4.
Minus 2, 4. Very good. Yes. So now downward subtraction we have, children. 8 minus 4. 8
Ma'am, 4.
minus 4. 4.
4.
Yes. Very good. Now 6 minus 5.
Ma'am, 1.
1. Okay, good. And 4 minus 0.
Ma'am, 4. Because 0
4.
is nothing.
Yes. 0 is nothing. So if we subtract or add 0 in any number to any number, so it will be
That number
the
only.
same. Yeah, we'll get the same number only. Yes, here let's see 17 bananas. Suppose 17 bananas were there and 5 somebody has eaten. So they have put cross mark for the eaten bananas to represent eaten bananas, right? So अभी हम देखते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 15 are there. So suppose 17 bananas were there and 5 bananas somebody has eaten. So how many bananas will left? So how we will do? I will tell you. First we will write 17. Like this it is written here. You can see it. Now 5. The important thing here children comes where you have to place 5. Suppose if you will place 5 below 1, so it will be wrong. Your answer will be wrong. Right? Why we have to put this 5 here? Because I don't know today my pen is not working. Otherwise I could write here. It's not coming today. Okay. So see children. So this is which position? 1 is at which place and 7 is at which place? Tens or ones we have learned, right?
Ma'am, 7 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place.
Very good.
And for
So
one
this is,
bundle of 10 and 7 loose bananas.
yes, one bundle of 10 and 7 loose bananas. And this 5 has which place?
Ma'am, ones.
This is ones place. So suppose we have single digit number that will be always in ones place. But if we have two digit number, it has two numbers. One will be at tens place, one will be another will be at ones place, right? This will be at tens, this will be at ones. So this is single digit number and this is at ones place. So we'll put these two friends because 7 is also at one's place and 5 is also at one's place. So they both are friends. Ones are friends and tens are friends, right? So we will write this 5 below his friend, below the ones. Okay? Have you
Yes, ma'am.
understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because it is tens, so it is not his friend. Okay, 7 at one's position, one's place, and 5 is also has one's place, right? So we will put them together and we will write this 5 below 7. हम किसके नीचे लिखेंगे? 7 के नीचे ही लिखेंगे because 7 की position ones है और 5 की position भी ones है. ठीक है?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, children, the second thing comes here 7 minus 5. You just see 7 is bigger number than 5. So, can you subtract 5 from 7?
Yes, ma'am.
Definitely, yes. Right? So just take out 7 fingers and just minus 5. Yes, you can subtract and because 7 is bigger number and how many will left? 2 will left. As you can see, right? So what we are going to write here? 2. Now here, what is left? 1 is left. Do we have to subtract anything from 1? कुछ कोई नंबर दिख रहा है आपको 1 से subtract करने के लिए?
नहीं, ma'am.
No, we have no number here, nothing. We don't have anything, right? So we will put 1 as it
One.
is here because we are not subtracting, so 1 will come down, right? So it will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
12. If you want to cross check children, what you will do 12 plus 5. So just do forward, take out 5 fingers and do forward counting after 12. So it will be 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So yes, our answer is correct. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see few more examples here. 15 minus 4. One more thing you can do. You can do backward counting. Okay. How? Let me tell you. Okay. So suppose you have 15 objects or 15 apples and 4 apples somebody has eaten. Your friend has eaten 4 apples. So how many apples are left? Suppose this is a condition. So what you'll do, just you do backward counting. So 15, 14, 13, 12. Okay, so how many times you have to do backward counting? 4 times. So 12
12
over.
times.
So how many left? 11. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
we'll write
Yes, ma'am.
here 11. Let's see the 17 minus 2. So again we'll do backward counting 2 times. So just start from 17. Can you tell me how you will count?
Sorry, ma'am, your voice is not clear. Can you repeat?
Yeah, you have to do backward counting 2 times from 17.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 16, 15.
Yes.
Ma'am, 15.
So 15 will be the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now 17 minus, sorry, 19 minus 7. So how many times
Yes,
we'll do backward counting? 7 times
ma'am. 7 times.
from 19. So we'll count, right?
Yes,
18,
ma'am.
17,
Then 17,
16,
16,
15,
15,
14,
14,
13,
13,
12.
12. Ma'am,
Yes,
12.
so 12 will come.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now 12 minus 1. So it's very simple. If you are going
Ma'am,
to
11. 11.
minus 1 to just one time backward counting, it will be 11. So hope you have understood it. Backward counting also you can do subtraction with the help of
Yes, ma'am.
backward counting. And
Yes, ma'am.
second thing, you can place the numbers in ones and tens position, and you can separately you can subtract it. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's see the next slide. Yes. We have some subtraction here, children. Like this 4 we have done. This was there in early the previous page. Now we have to do from here. ठीक है, ये चारों हमने अभी भी कर लिए हैं. इट वॉज देयर इन प्रीवियस पेज. अभी जो हमने किया उसमें थे ये. ओके, नाउ विल सी फ्रॉम हियर 18 minus 8. So if we will put this 8 down,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
so 8 minus 8 will be,
0.
yes, मैंने बताया था आपको जब हम सेम नंबर को सेम नंबर से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे देन आंसर विल बी ऑलवेज
0.
0, right? So 8 minus 8, 0. And
0.
what left here this side at tens place?
Ma'am,
1.
1.
So we'll put 1 here at tens place. So 1 at tens place and 0 at ones place will be is equal to 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
14 minus 3. Here, children, you can do backward counting also, or you can do this type of subtraction. Both, you have two options, right? Which
Yes,
you
ma'am.
feel easy that you can do.
मैम 11 मैम बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग करके.
Can you tell me how?
मैम 14 से बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग किया तो मैम 13, 12, 11.
13, 12, 11. Yes, very good. So 11 will come there. Now 17 minus 5. So again, we'll do backward counting. Okay.
11.
So 16,
16,
15,
15,
14,
14,
13, 12.
13, 12.
12 will come. Very good. Now 12 minus 4. Like 4
Uh,
times we have to do backward counting. 11,
10,
10,
9, 8.
9, 8. So 8 will come. Yes. Now 11 minus 1. So just one time backward counting from 11. It is 10. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now 13 minus 0. So 0 means
Nothing.
nothing.
Ma'am, that
Yes.
number will come 13.
The same number will come. Means 13 will come. Yes. You're right. Okay. Now 17 minus 4. So here it's a downward subtraction and it is placed already. It is already written in proper place. So see, this is 7 and this is 1. 17. In 17, 1 is having, 1 is placed at tens place and 7
Yes,
is
please.
placed at ones
10
place.
ones place.
One bundle of 10 and 7
So those
lose
lose.
7. Yes, lose ones. Right? And 4
Yes.
is again lose ones. So 7
Yes.
minus 4, how much?
Ma'am, 3.
3. Very good. 7 minus 4, 3. And here we
Ma'am,
don't have
1.
anything down. So 1 will come here. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now 18 minus 3. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am. 3 times back counting. So, ma'am,
Hmm?
17, 16,
Hmm?
15. 15.
Yes, 17, 16, 15. Yes, you can do like this or you can do like this. That also like 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 and 1 will remain down, so it will be 15. दोनों में से दोनों तरीकों में से आप कोई भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है। किसी बच्चे को हो सकता है बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग ही feels or she feels it is easy, or you can play, you can just minus it single separately, right? Like
Yes,
8
ma'am.
from 3. Now 15 minus 5. So 5 minus 5 is equal
And
to
zero. Zero.
0, and we will get 1 this side, so it will be 10 together, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now 19 minus 8. So 9 minus 8 will be
Ma'am, one.
1. Very good. And here 1 will come down. So it
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be 11.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you tell me this one. 14 minus 4.
Ma'am, that is zero. And so
Mhm.
zero will come in one's place and
Yes.
one will come down in the
Yes.
tens place because
10. So
nothing is
it
there.
will be 10.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now 13 minus 6.
Ma'am, backward counting करें?
हाँ, बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग कर सकते हैं बिकॉज यहाँ पे आपको बोरो करना पड़ेगा एंड दैट कॉन्सेप्ट इज नॉट देयर इन क्लास 1. ओके, विल आई टेल you but later, right? Not now. Okay, after two
Yes,
three
ma'am.
months we'll discuss that. Yes, so what
Ma'am,
we'll do, we'll just do backward counting 6
ma'am,
times.
12,
Yes,
11,
yes,
10, 9, 8, 7. Ma'am, 7.
very good. So 7 will come, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now let's see the next slide. Yes. 1 minute, huh? Just 1 minute, children. Let me
Yes.
check why this pen is not coming today. Yeah, now it has come. Okay. Yes, so we have a worksheet to do, right? As we have discussed different subtraction questions and additions question we have solved, and we have solved word problem also. So to make you learn it more, we will see and we will try to solve some worksheet based on word problems, right? So first question goes like this. Tom has 3 yellow pencils. So what are the objects?
3
Three
yellow
yellow
pencils.
pencils, right? Yes. So we will just underline with pencil or any color. Now add 2 red pencils. So these are the objects again. Okay, so we have
Yeah.
to play with these objects. We have to do something with these objects. That is why we have underlined. Okay, now let's see further. How many pencils does he have? Okay, so how many pencils does he have means all together. Okay,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
don't have any word here though, all together or put them together or in all, but it means how many pencils does we have, he have means he will have how many pencils together.
And plus sign is
Okay.
also given, ma'am, for addition.
Here, yes, because if these 3 questions are based on addition only, so some hint is already given. Of picture objects, objects picture are given, and the boxes and plus sign is already is equal to sign is already given to you, right? But we have to understand the question first. Then we'll look into this part, right? So it means how many pencils will Tom will have altogether? It means we have to add them. So
Ma'am,
let's see.
3 plus 2.
3, yes, plus
2.
2 red
Ma'am,
pencils.
5 pencils.
So it's very easy. 5 pencils, right? And what is missing here? Can you tell me? As I told you earlier.
Ma'am, unit, ma'am, pencils.
Yes, very good. Units are not written. Yes, okay, this is for practice, and this is a worksheet which is already made by some, right? Okay, available in the net. So it's okay. But what we'll do, we'll just keep in mind we have to write unit always. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we will write, pencil or pencils?
Ma'am, pencils.
By,
Ma'am, more than one is there.
yes, it's plural or singular?
Ma'am, plural.
Yes, it's many, more than one. It means it is plural, and then yes, we will put S here. Right, very good. Okay, let's see the next question. There are four roses. So how many roses? Let's underline.
Ma'am,
And two
4.
sunflowers. Okay, four roses and two sunflowers in my garden. How many flowers are there in all? So what is the signing word here? In all. So it
Yes.
means we have to add them, right?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So what we'll do? Four roses. So we will write here four roses. It's already given, picture is given, so we will not write. And how many sunflowers were there?
Ma'am, 2.
Yes, two. So 4 plus 2 is equal to how many flowers together?
Ma'am, 6.
Very good. So what we'll write? 6, and we will write here flowers also, right? So it's
Yes,
given
ma'am.
here, spelling is given. I'm not going to write. So
Yes,
just
ma'am.
keep in mind we have to write the unit also. Okay? That is important. Now let's see the last one. Five boys were playing in the playground. So we'll just underline the objects. Okay, what we have to do, the numbers. Five boys were given. They are playing in the playground. Now,
Yes,
three
ma'am.
girls also joined in,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Three more girls came and they joined them.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
many kids are there? So, how many children, or you can say, how many kids are there playing in the playground? So, what we'll do, we'll take first number here. What is that? 5.
5. 5.
Yes, so we'll write here 5. And how many girls came and joined them?
And 3.
3 girls. Very good. So 5 plus 3 is equal to how much, children?
Ma'am, 8.
Very nice.
8
Very
kids.
good. Now you all have done all the answers quickly, right? You have given it correctly. And what we have to write here? Unit. So what we are going to write? What is given in the question? Kids. They are asking about kids. How many kids
Yes, ma'am.
together? We will write here kids. Okay. Oh, yes. So these were some word problems based question, children. I hope you enjoyed it. Now you can do it in your own, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And you have done it well. So is it easy now?
Yes, ma'am. I can do now.
Yes, very good. So that's all from today's class, children. Thank you very much. Any question you have?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so shall we do Shanti part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, join your hands. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you, children. Okay, we'll meet in the next class. And take good care of yourself. Wash your hands before eating anything, right?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Saira, ma'am.
Thank you. Sai Ram.